After Porsche unveiled the updated 911 GT3 last month, enthusiasts have been eagerly anticipating the debut of the refreshed GT3 RS. While the world waits, Manthey, a Porsche-affiliated performance specialist, has unveiled an aerodynamic kit designed to enhance the current GT3 RS. What makes this upgrade special? It is backed by Porsche itself, meaning you can enjoy the added performance without worrying about voiding your warranty. For context, Porsche has held a majority stake, 51%, in Manthey since late 2013. This collaboration ensures that every modification aligns with Porsche's exacting standards. One of the standout features of this new package is the replacement of the traditional rear window with a lightweight carbon fiber panel. This panel, which shaves off 25% of the weight compared to the original, incorporates a shark fin antenna inspired by Porsche's 963 Endurance Racer. Manthey has also added 6 smaller aerodynamic fins on the roof, which guide hot air away from the car's front radiators. The result? Cooler air is channeled into the rear intakes, optimizing performance. The enhancements continue with a reworked rear wing featuring redesigned endplates for better downforce. A larger rear diffuser adds to the aerodynamic gains, while carbon fiber wheel covers, called aerodiscs, minimize air resistance. With these upgrades, the GT3 RS now produces over 2,204 pounds of downforce at a speed of 177 miles per hour. Manthey's efforts extend beyond the bodywork. The suspension has been given a major overhaul, with spring rates increased by 30% at the front axle and 15% at the rear. Other performance tweaks include updated shock absorbers and new racing brake pads for models equipped with ceramic composite brakes. Drivers can also personalize their vehicles with options like illuminated carbon fiber door sill guards, LED door projectors, and even a racing-style towing eye, although this feature is not street legal. This upgrade package has been in development for 2 years, with Manthey logging countless miles on European racetracks to perfect every detail. While the modifications have yet to be tested on the Nürburgring, the company aims to improve the GT3 RS's previous lap time of 6 minutes and 49.32 seconds achieved in October 2022. Owners of the GT3 RS can already place orders for this kit. Deliveries in European Union countries are expected to begin in January next year, while non-European Union markets will follow in March. Pricing remains undisclosed, but for reference, a similar kit for the 718 Cayman GT4 RS starts at $53,946 in the United States, excluding installation fees.